When I was starting out in my entrepreneurship journey, I've always been curious kung ano nga ba talaga yung mga habits ng mga successful entrepreneurs. Ano nga ba yung mga actionable steps na ginagawa nila to get to their goals? Hello to you and welcome back. And if you are new here, I am Riza, an entrepreneur who has several businesses, and I'm a self-confessed branding and business nerd. In my years of entrepreneurship, marami na rin akong nakahalubilong mga successful na entrepreneurs, successful na tao. And in this video, I'll be sharing 3 habits that I see most of them doing. Habit number 1 is ruthless prioritization. Let's be real, as a new entrepreneur, you are doing a million things, you are juggling a lot of things, but not all tasks are created equal. Successful entrepreneurs know how to ruthlessly prioritize. They focus on 20% of the tasks that generate 80% of the results. I am personally very mindful of how I use my time and what I prioritize. Actionable tip: start each day by identifying your top 3 priorities. As in, pili ka lang talaga ng 3. Alam ko marami yan nasa listahan mo, pero pili ka lang ng 3 na tipong kapag nagawa mo siya, you're good. I call it my MITs, or most important tasks. Habit number 2 is to embrace failure and learn from it. Madalas kapag nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, yan yung lagi nating takot. What if mag-fail tayo? What if mag-fail ang ating mga negosyo? But guess what? Even the most successful entrepreneurs still fail. And kahit gaano na sila kalaki, namomroblema pa rin sila. Ibang level lang ng mga problema. Ang difference lang is that even if they fail, they don't let failure paralyze them. Nakikita nila yon as a learning opportunity. Ano ba yung mga pwede ko pang ma-improve? Ano ba yung pwede ko pang matweak? Ano ba yung mga natutunan ko for this failure? And as an entrepreneur na nag-uumpisa pa lang, do not be afraid to experiment and take risks. Of course, calculated risks. Maraming mga bagay sa negosyo that will not go as planned, and minsan maiirita tayo. Bakit hindi nangyayari yung mga gusto nating mangyari? But we gotta pivot. Kailangan nating gawa ng paraan yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi nangyayari sa mga plano natin, and we just gotta roll with the punches. Habit number 3 that I see successful people do is that they master the art of networking. Networking in a sense na makakilala ng ibang tao, to acknowledge the power of social connections. Dati noon, akala ko kaya na naming dalawa ni Josh kaming mag-asawa sa business, pero hindi pala talaga. Being with other successful entrepreneurs, I understood that I need help. I understood that I need their wisdom. I understood that I need other people who can get me, other entrepreneurs who can understand kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan namin para matuto kami sa kanila. Nung napunta na ako sa mga communities, doon ako nakakilala ng mga negosyante na sobrang willing to help, mga negosyante na, alam mo yun, nagkikwento talaga ng mga lessons nila. Tapos parang doon ko na mafe-feel na parang, oo nga no, tama nga yung ginagawa nila. Baka pwede kong ma-adapt din yan sa businesses namin. And speaking of communities, friends, we actually have a business community called Entrepreneur's Cradle. I'll shamelessly plug it here. So it's a community that I dreamt of having when I was starting out in business. Kasi nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kami ni Josh, as in wala kaming ibang friends, wala kaming ibang negosyanteng kakilala. Tapos parang we just, went with the flow hanggang sa ang dami na naming mga pagkakamali. Sobrang mahal na life tuition fee, friends, na if meron sana kaming community na nagsabi sa amin, wait lang, teka lang muna, hindi na dapat kami nagkamali ng ganon. So this Entrepreneur's Cradle is a community of entrepreneurs na very, very generous with their entrepreneurship life, with their lessons. Kapag may mga questions kayo sa kanila, they really try their best to answer. I'll put the link below kung saan nyo pwedeng makita yung community na yan. And I am actually working on a project to make Entrepreneur's Cradle better. Di ko pa pwedeng masabi ngayon, pero abangan nyo yan. If you want to know more, it's in the link below. Ayun lang, this is a very quick video. I hope this video helps you, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. You can go ahead and like and comment on this video as well para malaman ko na gusto nyo yung ganitong kinds of video. And if you like this video, baka magustuhan nyo rin yung video na ginawa ko about my business mistakes. That kinuwento ko dyan. There you have it. Thank you so much for being with me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!